everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be focusing on the drains, so how I make sure that my drains are flowing very well, they're working well, and they smell great. I'm going to be showing you how I use Zoflora. So let's dive right in. You can watch along or you can clean along with me. Let's dive right in. So I use my Sonic cleaning toothbrush. This one is only for the kitchen. This is the pink stuff one, and I'm just going to use the pink stuff. You know, sometimes your drain might have a little stain, so using this works. Mine currently doesn't have any stains, but if you do have stains, this is also a good way to ensure that they come off. And I just normally just do this whenever I have the time, to be honest, because not every day I can do a deep clean. Any cream cleaning product works really well, so whatever you've got, you can use that as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be the pink stuff one. The other method that I use to make sure my drains smell well and they flow really well is the soda crystals. So I pour a little bit of washing up liquid as well, and then I'm going to get my hot boiling water from the kettle and I'm just going to pour it down the drain. Doing this actually makes sure the drains are flowing really well. Any buildup that's currently building will be washed away. So this is another method. Instead of using Zoflora, you can use this method. Now we're going to do the bathroom, so we're going to start with the sink. Forget that little hole over there. This is the bathroom sonic scrubber, and mainly like the drains as well, they sometimes get a bit of buildup and discoloration. Okay, then I take a couple of my Zoflora and I just pour it down there. Still goes a long way. So I'm now going to do the shower and the drains. Okay, so this is the drain in the shower. So I'll just spray around there. Then you can take this out. So this actually comes off. We're not really going to zoom into that because, you know. And then this also comes out. Normally these do come off, depends, but this one does not. So I'm now going to focus on cleaning this and that. Okay, so I use my Sonic scrubber. You can use any cleaning toothbrush. And then this is probably one of the most forgotten about places to clean, if I'm honest. I am very guilty for this actually. So if you guys could let me know how often you do your drains, let me know in the comment section below and what products you use. If you're also enjoying the video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content about how to clean, cleaning motivation and decluttering motivation. I upload twice a week, so look forward to more content. This is so clean. Put it there. Some Zoflora. And that should give us a nice and clean sink. Nice and clean shower drain. That is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to more content and I will see you soon. Bye.